Hey, what's up guys? This is Matthew Ma here, and I just picked up the Samsung T5 SSD. T5 comes in 4 different sizes ranging from 250GB to 2TB. The 250GB and 500GB comes in alluring blue, while the 1TB and 2TB comes in black. Let's open the box and take a look at what's inside. Inside the box comes with an instruction manual, the T5 drive, USB-C to USB-C, and USB-C to USB-A adapters. The drive has a sleek metal unibody design. It utilizes USB 3.1 Gen 2 and offers AES 256-bit hardware encryption. The T5 is powered by VNAND flash memory and is rated up to 4.9 times faster than external hard drives, transferring speeds up to 540 megabytes a second. I chose the 500GB T5 model to go with my 2016 MacBook Pro with Touch Bar, as the Thunderbolt 3 ports supports the USB 3.1 Gen 2 interface. I think the 500GB model is the best price to value. Great for carrying every day and perfect for travel, especially for making videos just like this one. Using Blackmagic disk speed test, the drive comes out to 503 megabytes a second read and 465 megabytes a second write. This drive is fast, compact, and light, weighing in at 51 grams and smaller than your average business card. Overall, I'm very happy with this purchase, and I think it'll help speed up my workflow. If you purchased a portable SSD or thinking about getting one, let me know in the comments below what you think and how you plan to use it and back it up. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.